Hey, how's everybody doing today? It's PJ 437 Motorsports. I'd just like to say thank you to all the ones who have subscribed to the channel. If you could, please hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications, and comment on some of these videos to help get them spread out, get out to the masses, and help build the channel. I'd also like to thank a sponsor that came on board, Just Fast Online. Gonna help me out with some race parts and whatnot. The link will be in the description of the videos under sponsors, so please check him out. Use my code 437MS for a small discount at checkout. He has Camaro, Trans Am parts, Mustang, Chevy trucks, I think Ford trucks. He's got some motorcycle stuff for different brands of motorcycles, RC cars and whatnot on there. But some pretty cool stuff, so please give him some love for helping me out. And thank you. Hey, how's everybody doing? PJ 437 Motorsports. In today's video, going to be fixing broken tailgate cable with a new one, and how to go about doing that, so stay tuned. Alright, so this will be my first time actually doing this, so I'm gonna learn as I go. But it's a T40 Torx that you need to get this one out and this one out, so you can pull this plate off, because you have to grind the pin here out from the back side down in here. Once you get this off, you can grind this pin off, and then this old broken piece will come off. And they give you a new pin in the kit and a E-clip that's supposed to hold it all back together. Then this just up here, that just pushes up and pulls off, and there's the old piece. So we're gonna see how this works, and hopefully it's not too hard. Okay, so figured it out. So the rod here that runs in, goes through your handle, hooks into this slot here, which pulls your latch. You have to see, take the rod all the way out so it don't fall down in the tailgate. So you got to take these 3 Torx loose, which allows you to get your handle loose. And if I can get the light right, this right here is where the rod clips in, and you just have to pop it loose and be careful not to break it. Flip it up, the rod will slide out, and then you can slide the whole works out the side here far enough to unhook this piece. And right here is where we got to grind this off. I won't bore you with that. I can do that in the house probably, and I'll come back out, start videoing when I'm putting it back together. Alright, so there's the old cable. See where I ground the end off there and banged it with the punch to see if it'll focus. Banged it with the punch to knock it out of here. You can see where I ground it, and I pre-painted it because you're going to nick it to be able to grind it down flush so you can knock it out. And it has this old washer on here, like nylon or plastic or whatever, and I'm going to put that back on, the new one. There's your little E-clip, and the new pin, and then of course the new cable. And it just reinstalls. It fits on the truck like this. You have your pin, like so. Put the washer on so it rubs in between here. Let's see if this will work like this. And then you can see there the little notch in there, and that's where your E-clip goes. So I'm gonna throw that on real quick. It goes in there like so. Then you need a pair of pliers of some sort, and I got needle nose. See if I can knock this out one-handed. And didn't go far, luckily. Try this again. And there we go. Now it's in the groove and it's on there. Now we have a functioning cable. So now you just go back through your process. Slide the rod back into the tailgate, hook it into here, push it all the way in tight, and then you gotta hook it back up inside, which I think is going to be a challenge, but we shall see. Yes, just double checking to make sure I got it in the right direction. Otherwise, it'd be quite a pain. Get that in there like so. Alright, so I got that finally hooked back up. It's a little bit of work. Get your torque started by hand before you try to tighten them down with something. There we go. Then you just raise the tailgate, slide that on, and now we're back in action. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one. Have it as a spare because I think it'll work. Then again, I might leave it, save the other one just in case later on. But now, tailgate goes up and down, shuts, opens. So right in there, as you can see, it's hooked back up, which was a challenge because of where you got to get it in up in here, feed through inside of there. It's just trying to get it over that little lip. It's a bit of a challenge to feed it under the actual mechanism. Let's see if we can get this last bolt in there. Pop the rest of these loose a little. That one started by hand, so they're all lined up. And they're tight. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Help the videos get noticed. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching again.